Welcome to the course Principles of Economics. My name is Sabuj Kumar Mandal and I am an Associate Professor of Economics at the Department of Humanities and Social Sciences, IIT Madras, and I will take you through this course. The duration of this course is 12 weeks. As the name suggests, the principles of economics, first of all, we need to understand what is economics all about. Economics, when we hear this word, without studying economics, we feel that economics might be related to money or stock market or maybe international trade. Interestingly, even though the economic discipline deals with all these issues, the basic necessity of studying economics originates from the fact that resources are limited and we, the individuals, we have unlimited demand. So basically, in this course, we will try to learn how to apply these economic principles so that we can efficiently manage our limited resources so as to get maximum satisfaction or utility. So that is basically, it says that at the core of economics there lies efficient utilization of resources. The entire course is then divided into two subcategory. Firstly, microeconomic principles, wherein we will be discussing how the economic agents they take their decision at the micro or individual level, how the individuals they interact with each other. That means we are going to talk about how the economists they use some kind of models, economic models like production possibility frontier, circular flow diagram, to simplify the complex real world for our better understanding. Then we will move on to demand, supply, elasticity of demand, what are the factors that determine elasticity, and then we will talk about how government policies actually alter the market outcomes in terms of taxation, in terms of imposition of tariff and quota on international trade, and in terms of setting minimum wage bill. And then we will talk about cost of production and market structure also, because the objective of the firms are maximizing profit, which depends on their cost of production and market structure. So we will have an in-depth understanding of cost, production and market structure as well in this particular subcategory, which is called microeconomics. Then we will move on to macroeconomics, which basically deals with how the economy as a whole works. So that means we are going to talk about how to measure nation's income, and then how to measure standard of living, how to measure inflation, and then we will come back to the most important topic, which is money and monetary system, how the different markets and institutions they interplay to decide about individual saving, investment, how interaction of saving and investment behavior decides about optimal interest rate, so on and so forth. Then we will talk about how the central bank decides about how much money to supply, how the banks, nationalized banks, they decide they create money in the economy, and then at the end we will discuss about money growth and inflation. Too much of money is equally bad, so we will understand why don't the government prints too much of money, because too much of money will also lead to inflation. So with this micro and macro module, basically we will understand how different economic principles can be applied to manage our resources. The resources could be money, resources could be capital, resources could be time. And then we will try to understand the world around us. Okay, and then basically what is the objective of this course? A successful completion of this course will give you a solid foundation in economics, so that you can take further courses, higher level courses in economics, to get an in-depth understanding of the economic discipline. We are going to follow the textbook, which is Principles of Economics by Mankiw. And with this, I wish you all the best for your learning basic course in economics, which is Principles of Economics, so as to get a strong foundation in your of your understanding in economic discipline. Thank you.